Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ama-player amaningi bafethu a-reactor to uLebohang Maboy ukuthi abuyele lapha negrawundini or adlale igame yakhe yokuqala for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ku-reacte oVilakazi, ku-reacta namanye ama-player and then ku-reacte no-Neo Maema owadlala naye for some time laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns. So bajabule kakhulu amanye ama-professional footballers ukuthi finally umfethu ubuyile egamini naku-setup nje kuma-match day squad. I think it's very important ukuthi nginike i-context, ngibuyele emuva ukuthi what has been holding him back, but at the same time yena sekunesikhathi e-ready but maybe bebangekho sure ngaye, maybe lokhu athinteka cause i-Kaizer Chiefs imsayina une-risk enkulu because I think ngoJune kula beye e-theatre under the knife, angazi bekenza i-surgery yani but ukwazile uku-recover-a fast and then waqala ukujima ne-Kaizer Chiefs meqeda ukusayina nayo. Since then he's been forever present in terms of i-gym ye-Kaizer Chiefs but oma-match day squad bekangekho. Maybe i-medical team ye-Kaizer Chiefs beyibheka ukuthi okay, is he ready ukuthi simphosele laphana or usadinga isikhashana ukuthi aphosele laphana egrawundini. But yeah, uyi-player elihlakaniphile, eline-experience ku-CAF Champions League, une-experience ku-Betway Premiership, kuma-cup games, international stage in terms of iBafana Bafana. So i-player elingakwazi ukucontribute kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs given an opportunity to play, but konke kulele ko-coach nanokuthi ayithole, because the only time you get confidence is when you get ama-opportunities. So without opportunities there's no confidence that you're gonna get, because uzokumele utheste kuqala inside the field of play. Once you test yourself and then-ke uyakwazi ukuba sendaweni e-right mentally and physically, ubone ukuthi sowukuphi against iy'ntanga zakhe amanye ama-player overall. But yeah, congratulations to uLebohang Maboy. Abantu baya-reacta kuye, i-player elizo-add-a experience ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Danke bafethu.